Tired of seeing certain accounts on your For You page? Let's take control and manage who you've blocked on TikTok. First, launch the TikTok app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. A menu will slide up from the bottom. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all sorts of options to customize your TikTok experience. Scroll down until you find the Privacy option and tap on that. This section allows you to control who can see your content and interact with you. Scroll down almost to the bottom of the privacy settings and you should see the Blocked Accounts option. Go ahead and tap on that. Great, you're now looking at your blocked list here. You'll see a list of all the accounts you've previously blocked. To unblock someone, simply tap the Unblock button next to their username. Confirm your choice when prompted, and they'll be able to see your content and interact with you again. Easy peasy. And that's how you find and manage your blocked list on TikTok. Now you're in total control of your TikTok experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks.